Zucchini is rich in essential nutrients such as vitamins C and A and manganese. These nutrients play crucial roles in supporting overall health, immune function, and energy metabolism. Garlic has immune-boosting properties that may help the body defend against infections. It stimulates the production of immune cells and enhances the activity of white blood cells. The fiber content in cherry tomatoes supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system. Basil has been found to have antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, which may help combat certain types of bacteria and fungi. This property has implications for oral health and may contribute to overall infection control. Cherry tomatoes contain various antioxidants, including lycopene, beta-carotene, and vitamin C. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation.